Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Cherie's Vlog. For today's video ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-transfer or mag-send ng money through PNB from GCash online banking. So, let's get started. So, punta muna tayo sa ating Union Bank online application. So, ayan, kung makikita ninyo, ayan nasa taas. Click lang natin yan. Then, log into your Union Bank online banking. And then, kung makikita ninyo dito sa pinakababa, may makikita kayong send. Yung pangalawa, click nyo lang yan. Or pwede din dito sa taas, itong send money. Ayan, pwede din yan. Parehas lang naman yung kakalabasan, mapupunta naman kayo sa send money. And then dito, i-click nyo tong other banks and e-wallets kasi other banks yung gagamitin natin, hindi naman siya another Union Bank account. So, i-click lang natin yan. And then dito naman, click natin itong send instantly for 10 pesos. Itong nasa pangalawa, InstaPay. So, in every transaction dito, with minimum of 50,000 pesos per transaction is may 10 peso na charge fee. Click lang natin yan. And then dito naman, makikita ninyo yung select a bank or an e-wallet, yung may arrow na pababa. Click nyo lang yan. And then dito naman sa part na to, hanapin mo yung PNB or kung ano man yung ATM or bank account na gusto mong i-send. Ayan, so, I will click PNB. Ayan. And then dito naman sa part na to, click mo yung, or enter mo yung account number mo. At pagkatapos, enter mo yung account name mo. Kailangan na kumpleto yung account number at saka yung account name. At saka kung tapos na kayong mag-fill in ng mga information, automatic na mag-orange yung next. At saka dito, kailangan na i-enter yung amount kung ilang gusto nyong i-send through PNB or through another bank account. And then, click next. Next naman is kailangan mo siyang i-review and transfer. Review your transfer money. So, kailangan na exact yung mga number at saka exact yung amount. And then, kung tapos ka na, click proceed and transfer. Or kung gusto mong i-delete or gusto mo i-cancel, click cancel. And then dito naman, magsisend yung OTP or one-time password ng number na pinag-registeran ninyo. And then, click nyo lang or i-allow nyo lang. And then, antayin nyo lang. At pagkatapos niyan is may magme-message or may magno-notify sa iyo ng transfer successful. And then, you can click go to dashboards or new transaction kung may ita-transact na naman kayo ulit. So, ayun lang guys. So, i-check lang natin sa ating PNB. So, puntahan muna natin yung ating PNB account or PNB Digital Mobile Bank app kung may laman ba siya. So, click muna natin yan. And then, click My Accounts. Click mo yan. And then, click Password. And then, enter mo lang yung password mo. So, kailangan yung password mo is complete. And then, pag naka-enter ka na ng password mo, click Confirm. So, as you can see guys, sumasok na yung transfer natin kanina from Union to PNB. So, yun lang guys. So, napaka-simple lang, napakadali lang. So, as you can see, 11,328. May 28 na balance ako kanina guys. So, yung 10 pesos is yung charge fee natin kanina sa sa Union Bank. So, sana guys, nakatulong ako kung paano sagutan yung mga katanungan ninyo. So, ayun lang guys. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell. Thank you!